Once we've sent the customer the link that we created when placing a manual order, there's the same rough process as for chasing the information that we used to place the order that I explained earlier on. So when we've just sent this information so that they can go over and pay, what we'll do is we'll place the tag payment pending FU1, and in about an hour's time we will go through, we will look for payment pending FU1 over here, and we'll see all the orders that we've marked as payment pending FU1. And what we'll do is we can then send them a message. If they haven't responded and haven't paid, we can send them the payment pending FU1. And what we'll do is we'll change it to payment pending FU2 and tomorrow's date. So it's the 20th at the moment, so we'll change it to the 21st of the 10th, 17. Oops. 21st of the 10th. That's as much information as it will allow. Okay, and the way that we judge the date is by the Manila time that your shift started. So if your shift started on the 21st Manila time, then we'd say the 22nd would be the date that we'd put in here, because this is a reminder for us to follow up on this person on that date, a day later than the day that we than we sent the last follow-up message. So once again, we'll be able to search and filter by payment pending FU2, and we'll see this one here. So this is the following day now, on the 21st. We will send them the FU2 response, payment pending FU2. Okay, and let's say another day. Well, so at that point we change it to payment pending FU3 and the date after that, which would be the 22nd. And the following day, so I'm going to look for the payment pending tags for that day's date, which in this case is the 22nd. They'd see if a response had been received. If it hadn't, they would follow up with the payment pending FU3. And they change the label to payment pending FU4 follow-up 4 and the next day's date. Now whoever's on the shift on the 23rd will once again search for payment pendings for that date. They'd see this chat, and once we get to the FU4, if we've received no responses, we'll remove this label and we'll mark this as not interested. And that would be the end of that customer. Once again, to repeat, if the customer had made the payment, then what we would do is we would send them the payment made, followed by their order number. Or if they had any particular objections, like the cost was too much, then what we'd do is we'd send them the special offer. Now, all of the saved responses that I've gone through in this in these videos are the bare bones of getting from the beginning to the end. But throughout, there may be questions that these do not answer. And we always have room for a little bit of discretion to build some rapport with the customer, to add a little something of our own, to be friendly, to be happy, to be funny, or whatever fits the situation. As you get more comfortable, you'll be happy to do that, and the customer will pick that up on the other end of the chat, and it'll improve the chances of us getting sales.